And welcome back to the DOGFATHER'S Toys. Now that the holidays are over, I got some of the parts I needed for my large Space 1999 Eagle. I took some of the old decals off. I want to tape or glue that, but so I'm working on it right now. And there's one decal I've already put on. And then I got a few more to go. So, I'll be back when I get some more done. So, stay tuned. And so I'm back. I've put the stickers on here. Added some parts I got in the mail. So let's take a look. As you can see, the stickers on the landing pod. And I put that and that on. Same with the back one. Because the stickers that were on here were 50 years old and they showed their age. And let's take a look on the inside here. The computer console's got new stickers. Now the chairs are original. Now it's hard to see with this phone, but this did not come with the in the 70s. This wall here, and there's a wall on the back side. But you put it behind these two beams, and it makes it look like it's part of the ship. Oh, and I just took the door off and make it easier. And then, turn this thing around. Same way over here. New sticker there. New sticker there, and I only needed one of these thrusters, and I think that's the original, the 3D printed one. I tried to keep the most of the original parts of that I could. Okay, and here's the what do you call it? I'm trying to do two things. I can't remember one. It picks up stuff. Space grabber or whatever they call it. And here's the I guess it would help if I had it on there. I'm trying to grab this. Oh yeah, there's stickers for the other side of the computer console. And here's the gun rack that don't want to stay in there. Part of me says glue it down, but I don't want to glue it. Okay. So there's the gun rack. Yeah, so I got that done. Let's see here. I'm looking for something else that goes in there. It's over here somewhere. Oh well. Well, It's a thing go around the Alpha crew when they got their spacesuits on. So no biggie there. I'll put this back in here. That just snaps. Okay, and then here's the cockpit area, which I re-stickered the black here. And the one thing you didn't have in the 70s, the bottom part it needs a good cleaning right there. But and there's the inside. So that's what I accomplished. And now I need to go back online, see if I can find 2 more bell thrusters, they call it. I got one around here somewhere just to show you, but as usual, I lay it down and poof, it goes away. No. Oh well. And then I thought I ordered one of these lift-off thrusters, but I must not have. And the door here, I got one in. It's in my car. I never brought it in yet. It's a 3D printed one. Like I said, I wanted to try to keep it as much original. Let's see, what else did I replace? Oh yeah, and this window was missing, so I replaced that. It's darker than the other ones, but I'm going to keep the originals in. So that's everything for this for now. I'm going to be looking for the 2 more thrusters and a takeoff thruster. And with that said, subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up on YouTube. Notification bell, leave a comment, tell me what you think. And until the next video, I'll see you out there. Bye-bye.